On that note, if there was a film made on you, who would you like to play Manu Bhaker on screen?
I think by the time we think about a film on me, I think there'll be many more people in the industry. Although we have some really talented actresses and
No, a
actors.
film can be
but
made now, no?
now.
Yeah, it can.
You think my career will be longer, no?
No, they can make part one now and
Part two later.
Yeah.
No, I think I need some more
Okay.
years in my career.
I have another gift for you. There is someone who already wants to play Manu Bhaker on screen, and I got a chance to interview her. I'll let Ankur play that video. Okay, one sports star you'd want to play on screen?
Manu Bhaker.
Wow. I'd pay money to watch that.
Wow, I really like her recent
Yeah.
Call Me Bae. She did very good character. I mean, very interesting character. I really like her. How she's actually
told you there'll be a
evolving
surprise
as
or
an
two.
actor.
I told you there'll be a surprise or two.
Wow, this
So
is
I
really
interviewed
cool.
her a couple of weeks ago, and she said she'd love. Has she got your approval?
So I just got to know, but yeah, I'm sure she's gonna be great coming in the years, and she's already doing really good job. Kho Gaye Hum Kahan was a very good movie.
Okay.
If you actually connected with the younger generation, it's really I mean relatable. So Kho Gaye Hum Kahan was one where I was really impressed with her work, and then second one was Call Me Bae. Very interesting character, yeah.
Okay, great. I'll pass the message across. Final bit, since we're just left with 2 odd minutes on the session, this is the rapid fire. And since, you are into a rapid sport, I thought you'll be the perfect candidate. But no long answers. Quick, fast, we'll try and wrap it in 2 minutes. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay, go. The question that you are sick of answering.
So first would be, how do you feel? And,
कैसा लग रहा है?
कैसा लग रहा है? I think that tops.
Okay. Your second favorite sport after shooting,
Equestrian, horse riding, yeah, equestrian.
which you're not allowed to do.
Am I not?
She is allowed to do.
She is, okay. Your first sporting memory.
First sporting memory. I think I watched the Mary Kom movie. So that was amazing work done by Priyanka ma'am also, and the movie, the storyline, amazing. Love Mary ma'am.
Okay, on that note, your favorite film on sport.
I think it's definitely Mary Kom, and then the second one would be MS Dhoni, The Untold Story.
Yeah, I love that too.
I
Brilliant.
can watch on loop.
You watch it on loop.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. If not a shooter, Manu Bhaker would have been?
A doctor, for sure. My mom wanted me to become a doctor.
Okay. The one performance that you enjoyed the most at Paris Olympics 2024, other than shooting, any other sport that you enjoyed watching the most?
So I saw the hockey ka bronze medal match, and then the Paralympics Avni's match, and Navdeep.
And Navdeep.
Navdeep, yeah.
Navdeep and Avni were here yesterday. They would have loved to have known
Oh.
that you... You want to add one more?
Well, I also watched the javelin qualifications.
You know this will become a headline.
I know.
Sorry?
This will become a headline.
That's why.
Did you enjoy the javelin final or not?
Final I did not watch, but the qualifications I got to watch.
What did you make of Neeraj's performance there?
I think we all have a huge element to learn from him, that the matter of consistency, he's been very consistent with his performances, and I think he's a great athlete.
Okay. The one person from history you would love to meet?
Abdul Kalam sir.
Wow, brilliant answer. Your celebrity crush? You're the national crush, but your celebrity crush?
Honestly, I think we've only seen celebrities on screen or in movies and all. And the characters that they choose to play, you don't know them in person. And if I don't know somebody in person, if I'm not friends with them, or at least just talk. If I'm not in touch with them, I don't know who they are in reality. And if I don't know who the person is in reality, I can't like them.
Okay. If Manu Bhaker is feeling low, what can uplift her mood? Food, music, or film?
Music.
Okay. Your comfort food?
घर का खाना obviously makhan would be there, bajre ki roti would be there,
Okay.
then namkeen chawal. I mean, I really, really love घर का खाना.
Okay. I know you love stand-up comedy. Your favorite artist? One.
Anubhav Basi,
Okay.
then Abhishek Upmanyu, then Zakir Khan, of course, and there's Aishwarya.
Okay.
Amazing.
Since you love stand-up comedy, what's your go-to joke to ease the tension in a room? Tell us one.
See, suddenly I can't come up with a joke. Wait. Okay, it's a very lame joke, okay?
Yeah.
So, हाथी चींटी छुपम छुपाई खेल रहे थे. So, चींटी मंदिर में छुपी थी. हाथी को पता चल गया. कैसे?
I don't know.
उसे चप्पल बाहर निकाली थी.
It's a good one. Okay.
Very lame jokes. I really love lame jokes.
That's all right. Last couple of ones. What's the one thing that Manu Bhaker is least likely to do in the future? Join Bollywood, join politics, or become an entrepreneur? Least likely to do.
See, you never know what the future has in it for you. But I think business can be, but other two things I doubt. I really doubt. Politics and Bollywood, I'm not a huge fan. So of me, of seeing myself.
So
into
least
it.
likely is no Bollywood, no politics.
Yeah, least likely.
Okay.
But you never know what the future has in it for you. So
Unless people catch this video and if you join politics one day and play that video out. That's it. Finally, if a genie granted you 3 wishes, what are you going to be your wishes?
I've really thought about it. So first thing would be Amrit to all the people I love, and I also love myself. So all the people I love and for myself, Amrit. And then second thing would be to become a great shooter in life and to actually fulfill my
Already a
dream of-
great shooter.
No, I mean the Olympic gold is still there, the dream. So yeah, I want to fulfill that. And third thing would be to eat non-stop without getting fat, or to maintain my fitness and still be able to eat.
That is one wish that all of us would want. But thank you on that note, Manu Bhaker, Jaspal Rana, for taking our time and speaking to us on India Today. Thank you so much. Big round of applause for Manu and Jaspal.